Hi all, hope you're doing well. Welcome back. We are at the marina and I'm not actually on the boat for once, I'm next to it. So we'll start off with some good news. The good news is that we have been approved as a long-term visitor at Grimsby, so that makes our move to Grimsby permanent now, or at least for the next 6 months. So I will be formally handing my cancellation to Hull Marina, and this is our new home. And got a little bit of drone footage. I sent my drone up earlier, had a little run around, so I'll put that in just after this bit so that you guys can see in more detail what the marina's like. It's big, more spread out than Hull. It's certainly more open to the elements and it has less city facilities around, but it's more full of people who actually use the boats, whereas Hull is a commercial marina, so a lot of people just use the boats as like a floating caravan or whatever. This is, you know, we arrange yacht racing regattas and stuff like that, and trips over to the Netherlands that I can join in, so I can actually learn more from experienced sailors, which is something that I really want to do. So yeah, so we are now staying at Grimsby. So part of that is we have to prep our berth. So this is, we went out yesterday, which was our first time going out and leaving from here. But this is our berth, so we have this finger pontoon now. You can see these splashes. This is cleaning fluid that I put down, but I'm going to scrub in all the way up because this pontoon's not been used in a while and it's a bit slippy, so I'm going to clean it. The other thing we need to work out is the best way to tie us up, because the way we were at Hull Marina, we only had a very front loop and a very back loop, and then we came off this corner to it was just wrapped around the pontoon. Now it's a little bit different here because we have a cleat and a cleat, but no cleats on the back and nowhere really to tie. So what we've done is, just for tonight, is we looped ourselves through the floating pylon, through the riser, but that's not really sensible because it's going to shred and cut the rope. Plus these are concrete pontoons as opposed to plastic or wood that Hull has, so they're a little bit harder and more sturdy, so we've got to be careful on bashing. So people before us here actually put some fenders down there to stop it from bashing, and what we're going to do is we're just going to raise these fenders up there to stop us from bashing. But we need to have a look at how we're actually positioned along and everything, and try and line us up, because in Hull we had tight lines, and here we've got quite slack lines, as you can probably see. They're a little bit loose, but yeah, so I'm just going to give this a good scrub, a good wash down, get it less slippy, and yeah, then I will be back, and then we're going to wash the actual boat itself, I think, give it a general clean. We're not doing much today because there's no major jobs and I'm still recovering with knackered ribs. So yeah, we're just going to do a bit of cleaning, and if the weather will allow us, it's not looking too bad at the moment. I mean, it's not amazing, but it's not too bad. So if this holds out, the first pen is 3 o'clock, 10 past 3, 10 to 3, something like that. So first pen's this afternoon just before sunset. So if we can, we're going to go out for an hour if the weather will allow us. We tried going out yesterday, well, we did go out yesterday, but the sea was really not choppy but rolly. It was absolutely throwing us all over the place with it wasn't rough, we were just really high rollers, like good 2 meters high, so it was a bit uncomfortable. I couldn't really get up onto the plane, so we didn't really get that far. Hoping today it's a little bit better, which is quite annoying because obviously some people that live and boat in the area, all during the week they've posted pictures and it's been like a mill pond. It's been lovely and smooth and glassy, flat calm, perfect boating weather, and then as soon as I come to go out at the weekend it's crappy. But you know, c'est la vie. So we'll see this weekend, no, not this weekend, we'll see this afternoon, see if we can go out, and if we can, or if we do, I've got a head mount for the GoPro now, so I'm actually going to put the head mount on so you can see it from the captain's eye view, leaving the berth, getting out the marina, going through the locks. So hopefully we'll do that, but we'll see. In the meantime, I'm going to do some cleaning. Rather than boring you guys seeing me fiddle around with the bush, I'll do the cleaning and then be back in a bit where yeah, then I'll be back in a bit and show you the results of the after. So just so you're prepared, this is the before. You can see it starting to clean it, so now I'm just going to spread it out and yeah, hopefully get it properly clean. So I'll be back shortly. See you in a bit. Bye bye. Hi all, welcome back. We have finished the jobs that we're going to do today. We were going to go out, but the weather's a bit brisk, should we say. It's like 3 degrees, if that, and the wind's probably -2. It's not a strong wind, but it's cold. So yeah, so we're not going to go out, but I'll just show you the as you can see, the pontoon is now cleaned. Not amazing, and where I left the cleaner for too long in certain areas, as you can see, it's left clean strikes, but it's less slippy than it was, which is a good thing. I mean, it's still slippy, it's not perfect, but it's less than it was. But I think what I need to do is get some different cleaner, maybe try a different cleaner, or maybe just bring the pressure washer from home, see if that'll work. I've swapped the fenders and put a new fender out because the old fender, the sock was filthy, so I'll put a clean one out whilst we take the socks home and give them a wash. And yeah, and we've just given SJ a little going over herself, so she's a little bit cleaner. Not perfect, and it was only a quick one, so we've not got into all nooks and crannies, but giving her a quick going over with a brush and everything. So yeah, so that's it for today. Trolley that we're going to load up with all our stuff for taking back. But yeah, that's it. It's only a short one. Probably not actually that interesting either. We cleaned some decking. But yeah, hope you like the drone footage that I'll slice in. There's only a few minutes, so it's not too much. It's just a quick little overview of the marine and the area. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some better weather soon and we'll get out. But I think next weekend I'm going to do the engine services, or at least the oil changes and filter changes and the impeller changes. So we'll have a video on servicing KD32s, hopefully, weather permitting and everything. Assuming I can get all the parts. But yeah, so take care everyone. Until next time, stay safe. See you later. Bye bye.